Hello, kids. Welcome to the Exotic Fruits Guessing Game. I'll give you clues about some magical fruits, and you have to guess their name. I'll even tell you what they're called in Hindi. Ready? Let's start. First one. I'm pink on the outside, with scales like a dragon. Inside I'm white, with seeds to imagine. I'm sweet and juicy and good for your tummy. What's my name? It's so yummy. Dragon fruit, and in Hindi, I'm dragon fruit. Next one. I'm small and red with a bumpy shell. My inside is juicy and I taste so swell. I'm loved in the summer, a real sweet treat. What's my name? Let's repeat. Lychee, and in Hindi, I'm Lychee. Other one. Cut me in slices. I'm shaped like a star. I'm tangy and sweet, the best fruit by far. What's my name? Give it a try tonight. Star fruit, and in Hindi, I'm Crumbula. Next one. I look like a ball with hair so wild, but peel me open. I'm sweet and mild. I'm like a cousin to Lychee. It's true. What's my name? I'll give you a clue. Rambutan, and in Hindi, I'm durian, rambutan. One more. I'm purple outside and soft inside, sweet and sour. I'm a tasty ride. In Hindi, I'm mangosteen, a fruit like a queen. What's my name? Let's keep it clean. Mangosteen, and in Hindi, I'm mangosteen. Next one. I'm fuzzy and brown, but green inside. With seeds you can eat. I'm healthy with pride. My name is the same in Hindi too. Can you guess me? What will you do? Kiwi, and in Hindi, I'm kiwi. Other one. I'm spiky and big with a smell so strong. But taste me once and you'll love me lifelong. What's your guess? I'm an exotic fruit, I must confess. Durian, and in Hindi, I'm durian. One more. Next one. I'm small and round with juice so sweet. Open me up for a tropical treat. What's my name? Join in the game. Passion. Fruit, and in Hindi, I'm Krishna Phal. Wow, bachcho. You all did an amazing job guessing these exotic fruits in English and Hindi. अगर आपको ये गेम पसंद आया तो लाइक करना न भूलें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें ताकि आप और मजेदार गेम्स देख सकें।